This corner in our daughter's bathroom is about to become seamless built-in vanity, but before I make it look like one solid stone piece, I need to build a frame that won't move. And if that frame moves a hair, the micro cement that I'll be using might crack. So it needs to be rock solid. So let's build one. This bathroom was original to the house and hasn't been updated since the 80s. The vanity looked like this, and now it's our daughter's bathroom, and it was feeling a bit tired. I've started sharing the whole process on Instagram since last July, but midway, I decided I want to share the process with you here on YouTube. Anyway, here's a quick sketch of what I was thinking for the bathroom and some inspo pics that I've been collecting over the months. So I'm using 2x4s for the main support frame. You build walls with this stuff, so it should be sufficient. Since this is a corner unit, I'm essentially building a box that will be secured to both sides of the corner for maximum stability. Okay, I have top and bottom.
They have carrots.
Oh, big deal. Okay, we almost have a box. Okay, main frame is done. Now I want to add these corner braces. That looks good. I ordered this cute little sink that could sit right in the center here. Perfect. Okay, since I opened most of these walls to insulate, I know where the studs are in this wall, but I usually use this cute little magnetic tool to find studs. I'll link it down below. And because I'm floating this vanity, it needs a solid support. And vanities weigh a lot, but a custom one covered in concrete is going to be even more heavier. The pipes are too close to the frame. Okay, cut it out because I don't want to move the pipes. Huge mess. Okay, take two. Okay. Check the levels on the spot. Check the levels on the spot. Well, almost, but that's okay. Okay, floating vanity frame is done. I'm gonna do a quick test. I don't know if it's gonna come crashing down or I'm gonna call this solid. Okay, next I want to put the sink in and so that I can template the top because I'm using the same cement board. The template that came with the sink does not match the rim. Okay, I got my trusty Bessie clamp. I'm gonna use this to hold my sink. I think I can do this. So I also don't want to break my sink. Oh yeah, okay. Got my sink. Okay. Oh gosh, that was not easy. Now I'm gonna make some template. X-Acto knife. Okay, I think we have it. Here's the counter. Okay, over the weekend, I woke up in the middle of the night and I realized I have to tape and mud the seams before I install the vanity because I won't be able to get in there once these are on. So I did that. I also realized that the bottom of the drawer that I will be building would come out and hit the radiator so it won't open all the way. So I raised it up 2.5 inches and now it should come in and out with no problem right above it. Just solving as I go. Next, I cut the cement boards to match my template, but this was basically a full body vibration workout I didn't ask for. And at this point, I'm 80% dust and 20% sheer determination. The metal blade was so loud, so I'll spare your eardrums. Okay, it fits perfectly, but I did not calculate this side to go over the side piece. So now it's just gonna look like that's okay. We can figure that out. Okay, when I laid the top, I thought I was recording, but it wasn't. But the top layer is there with the mortar in between, sandwiched. So it is solid, guys. All right, the structure is done. It's level, it's solid, and officially part of the wall. I am planning to build drawers once it's all micro cemented, but I love where it's going. So I'll see you guys on the next one.